Welcome. Today we are going to make these energy balls or protein bites, whatever you want to call them. Tasty goodness. These tasty treats pack a punch in the protein department and also really help with that sweet tooth. So I enjoy them. I like to freeze them and just eat them completely frozen. Not that you have to, but I'm going to show you how to make them. They're nice and simple. So we start off with some old-fashioned oats. 1 cup here, and then just run it through a blender, food processor to get it more finely ground. We're actually, I think, doing like a double recipe here, but the basic recipe is 1 cup. I'll link it down below. And then flaxseed, you can use whole flaxseed, or I'm using this meal, which is already pre-ground, but actually what I found out after this was it's not ground enough for my liking. It left it too much of a texture. So again, I would run it through the blender or like a spice or coffee grinder just to make it more fine. And these just help with, like I said, protein. You're gonna get some good fiber in here, all sorts of minerals and such. Next is honey, really helps with sweetness, keeping it together. You're gonna use 1/4 cup or 3 ounces here. And next up, the peanut butter, probably the favorite thing. No, it doesn't have to be peanut butter. It can be sunflower butter, almond, it can be cashew, it can even be Nutella, as we're doing here. We did some peanut butter, some Nutella. This girl loves chocolate, so that hazelnut goodness with the chocolate was really nice. And from here, you are just going to mix it up. You could probably use a mixer, but I just do it by hand because, you know, burn those extra calories, work on the muscles, but also you add in extra things. This is where you can get really creative. So we did coconut, there's chia seeds, we've done hemp hearts. You can do chocolate chips or even mini chocolate chips. In this video, we did butterscotch, but you can do milk chocolate, dark chocolate, toffee bits. You can probably do dried fruits. We haven't really done that because I think I like the more non-fruitiness of it. That doesn't make sense. The chocolatey goodness is my favorite part, and the peanut butter. But yeah, you can just mix in what you feel like and sweeten the pot and help with the healthy ingredients. So mix it up. You'll want to make sure, now the peanut butter, it's 2/3 cup to 1 cup. So I say start on the 2/3, and then if, like in this recipe, you need to add more just to get it more moist, get it so it clumps together, then go ahead and do that. And then you will just roll them into little balls. And then it's really nice, pop them in the freezer when they're on a sheet pan so they freeze individually, and then you can throw them all together in like a gallon Ziploc or some other container. So that is the basics. These are more brown just because they are half Nutella, and other ones that I have, like the beginning shot, was just peanut butter. So let me know what you think if you've tried something like this. I think you'll agree. They are really tasty, just that sweet little treat, a little bit of energy, and really can maybe help with any New Year's goals, any fitness goals, as long as you don't just sit down and eat the whole bowl. Thank you for joining me here. I appreciate your support and hope you have a great day.